Yeah, hi. I am Sujit Singh, founder of Step Forward Solutions. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity. I am applying for Azure credits, and for the same, I am taking you through our product journey so far. Hope you will find it interesting. Let me first start with myself. I have a BE degree and postgraduate diploma in advanced computing. I have 18 plus years of experience working in product companies. My last job a year back was of a CTO in a fintech company. I've also done freelancing for a couple of years and I was top rated on multiple platforms. I am passionate about creating products and I love to code. Now let me tell you about the company. We are creating a wide variety of utility and productivity applications for Windows desktop and have plans to do the same for Mac and mobile as well very soon. We are a self-funded company which makes Azure Creative far more critical for us to move ahead. Currently, we are 3% team, which includes me. Now let us understand what we are trying to build and why. We are building productivity applications that are lightweight and actually give results. Today, there are many applications which have become bloated and full of features many users don't need. We are bridging that gap. We are also building a few innovative applications. We are also using AI/ML to enhance our products. Now, let me take you through what we have built so far and our plan ahead. We have plans to build 12 products in all this year. Four products are already live and have few users too. Three products are on the verge of release. Five products are in design phase or a bit higher. We also have a website. Here is the brief details of the products. Most are desktop-based products and some will have mobile as well as web interface. Kaizen Speech Studio. It offers text-to-speech, voice cloning, text improvement, translation, and many more features in a very cost-effective manner. Auto mouse, auto click. It can automate mouse movement, left click, right click, double click, application switching, scrolling, etc. Soon ORB. It helps you take open and breakout trades in milliseconds. It has safety feature inbuilt. Stay focused. It's the simplest tool to track your productivity. Just set desired hours and the rest it will do automatically. Block and limit. It's our flagship product that is need of the hour. It helps parents in protecting kids from spending too much time online and also protecting them. Simple OCR, a Google Lens alternative which can be used throughout the desktop and not only browser. Secure Auth2FA, authenticator for desktop with useful value-added features. Simple notifications. It's a simple tool to set up pure desktop notifications so that you don't miss it when you are immersed in your work. Part Game Clicker, a must-have tool for game lovers. Kids Game, a game built for toddlers to learn alphabets, numbers, etc. the fun way. Easy Mail Blast, the simplest and cost-effective way of sending bulk emails. Keep Me Safe, mobile app to keep you safe while traveling alone. Now I will take you through our website. Yeah, hi. Let me take you through our website. KaizenF.com is our website. You can see here right now. It's live right now. So you can see here. Simple, useful, awesome. This is our logo that we like a lot, and this is the philosophy with which we are building. We want our app to be simple, extremely useful, and it should be awesome. We have around four products live right now: Kaizen Speech Studio, Kaizen Auto Click and Auto Mouse, Kaizen Stay Focused, Kaizen Soon ORB, Kaizen Limit and Block. We are taking users for beta testing. So this product is not live right now. Now, if we here it's about our team. These are the three members we are right now. We go to our products now. You can see our. I will show you one of our products right now. This is our Kaizen Speech Studio. Similarly, you can see other products also if you want. Then we'll come back to our home page. Now I will take you through our product journey. Our product. Now I will take you through our product. Yeah, hi. Let me demonstrate two of our products out of total 4 live products. So this is our auto mouse, auto click. You can say you can do auto mouse, auto scroll, application switches, or you can add pauses also. You can do left click, right click, double click, keyboard, all sorts of automations you can do. You can see here you can do configure a bit more also, or there are advanced settings also, just in case you want to configure it more. See here. Now I will show you our second product, that is Speech Studio. This is our second product. Now see here. How it works is that you enter any text you want to convert. For example, I am going to school, and then I will play. Now you can select any speaker you want. For example, there are 500 plus speakers. If you want to select any English speaker, you can select any English speaker. And if you want a cheerful voice, for example, so you can click here. There are multiple options. Say I will select this one, first one, and then I just need to click on this. Once I click on this, you can see here it's a 2-second audio has been converted. Apart from text to speech, we have given some other features also. For example, you can improve text with AI. If you think your sentences is not correct, you can improve the sentences. Or you can translate. You can translate from one language to another language. Or you can ask any, so you can ask AI to create a product script or anything you want to do. Here also we have added these things. In history, you can see exactly what you did. All the details will come up here. If you want to reach out to support, you can reach out from here. Our product uses Azure services. Some of the services that we use are Azure Functions, App Services, SQL databases, Trusted Signing, Cognitive Services, Service Bus, Azure Virtual Machines, and many more. We again thank Azure for providing us free credits, because without that, it would have been extremely difficult for us. In the end, I am looking forward to continued help from the Microsoft to help us build products which end users love. Very soon, we'll break even and be profitable. But till then, this is sponsorship is very much needed for us. More so because we are a self-funded startup trying hard to make a mark in this world. Thanks again and take care.